Yeah, I will. Did you ring the RSPCA yet?
Going home till half 9. Mum's going home till half 9.
Is it there 24 hours?
Well, that's what I said to Arch, but she's got to go home. Mitcham home.
Do you eat that cat for Cleveland?
No, it's there. Touch it.
It's a little far, isn't it?
No, I put it under his nose next to the top there. It just laying there. I moved it, so at least didn't smell it and get up there. Shame, if I didn't have no animals at all, I'd be tempted to keep it.
You can't keep fox.
Of course you can.
It's wild animal. You can't keep it.
Dogs are wild animals.
Dogs are not wild animals.
Foxes, what's the names? Oh, I don't. There's your trainer. That poor little baby that was killed. It mauled to death. No, it was mauled. It died 5 days later of its injuries by 2 dogs. They were, their mother, great big things. Staffordshire Bull Terriers.